welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mines Department asks for names of employees from mining companies to pay 50% salary. SEZA withdraws its retrenchment plea. But who will pay SEZA workers? No water in Marmugao Taluka for the last 15 days. People struggle for a bucket. Marwan challenges Sadin Dhaurikar to vacate PWD office or restore water. Bus carrying youth of Parish Church from Fatauda Turtles at Matemor, Kankona. 17 injured including driver. 14 shifted to Especio. Police nab history sheeter Prakash Patil, claims to crack Kole, Kutsade and Sange burglary cases, seizes gold worth 9 lakhs. And All India Volleyball Tournament begins at Kunkoli. Signals and Haryana State IDC get off to winning start. Now news in detail. Mines Department has asked for details for mine lease holders about workers who have not been paid during the period of mine suspension in Goa. Mine lease holders have been asked to give these details within 7 days. Meanwhile, SEZA Sterlite has decided not to pursue layoff matter of its 1,017 employees. Supreme Court has asked Goa government to pay 50% wages and DA to workers of mining companies who have not been paid their wages during the period of mining suspension in Goa. In case of SEZA, the question is, who will pay SEZA workers?
Mines Department has asked all mining lease holders to submit details of workers who have not been paid since the mining operation were suspended in Goa. Lease holders must provide these details within 7 days to the Mines Department. Last month, in interim its verdict, Supreme Court had directed Goa government to pay 50% of wages and diurnal allowance to the workers in the master rolls of the mining companies who are not being paid during the period of suspension of mining operation in Goa. Meanwhile, SEZA Sterlite has decided not to pursue the layoff matter of its 1,017 employees who were issued layoff notices in the month of January 2014. Company says it has decided not to pursue the layoff matter till the time of announcement of the state mining policy. SEZA Sterlite says layoff is not a retrenchment and all workers continue to be on the rolls of the company. But it is still not clear whether government will pay 50% wages to the workers or SEZA Sterlite will pay the wages to these employees as workers are on the rolls. IATUC leader Christopher Fonseca has welcomed this decision of SEZA Sterlite of not pursuing layoff of its workers. But IATUC says while preparing registry of workers to pay 50% wages and DA, government must also include details from mining lease holders about other mining dependent workers for 50% salary and DA payments.
So your layoff, जाचे नोटीस तेणी दिली आणि त्यांका परमिशन मेळना म्हणून हायकोर्टान गेले. बोथ दिल्ली हायकोर्ट आणि त्याच बरोबर बॉम्बे बेंच ऑफ द हायकोर्ट इन हांगा पणजे आहा ती. आणि आता ते म्हणटा कामगारांक मे दिवसाचे शुभेच्छा दिताना की ते फाटी घेता. आमी म्हणटात फाटी घेता जाल्यार चड बरें आणि केस येवपाच्या 1 ऑक्टोबर हे सगळे विचार करून मॅनेजमेंटान डिसिजन घेतला ते करेक्ट आसा. आमकां ह्या सरकाराक विचारपाचें आसा गोंयच्या सरकाराक तुमी कितें नवे नवे कितें पॉलिसी काडटात. तुमची ऑलरेडी मायनिंग पॉलिसी आहा 2013 ती पॉलिसी सारकी इम्प्लिमेंट करा न्ही. लगभग 60,000 वयर कामगार आहा जे कामगारांच्या नोकरीची बळी जाला. सो ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक 50% पगार मेळा अशें करपाक जाय.
Our reporter from Padji, Loki Shilkar and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Entire Marmugao Taluka is reeling under acute water shortage for the last 15 days. Daboli MLA Marvin Godino has slammed PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawadekar, saying his assurances are a mere eyewash as Marmugao Taluka continues to face water woes. Marvin has challenged Dhawadekar to prove his worth and restore water supply in the affected areas or else vacate his PWD portfolio. Meanwhile, people from Sattari are also complaining of frequent water crisis.
त्यांच्या साधल्याला सांग आम्ही अशी तडपडून मरपाची कितके दिवस झाले आता 15 झालो हो 15 झालो काल एक बालदी मिळली आज 2 बालदी मिळले किती करपाचे रे आम्ही किती करपाचे सांग बघूया आणि टँकर हाडटाने ड्रम भरतात
आणि टांकी बांधल्या ती कोणाक लागून एक लोकांक लागून बांधलेली टांकी अजून ती उपेग करिना जाल्यार हांव मागता बेगीनचे बेगीन टांकी उदार करची आणि लोकांक उदीक पावयचें
येना उदक वोटाच्या इलेक्शन टायमार आमच्या दारार येता उदक ना आमकां कोण विचारपा येना घाणीचें उदक आतां आमी पिवपाचें वास येता हे उदकाक.
Daboli MLA Marvin has entirely blamed PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawadekar for the water crisis in Marmugao Taluka. He calls PWD's management a disaster.
सो मंत्री करता कितें सुदीन धावलीकर करता कितें PWD जायना दुसऱ्या कडेन कोणा कडेन ते खातें दी वॉटर प्रॉब्लेम तरी सॉल्व कर बेश्टेच उलयलें म्हण जायना इज गोईंग फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स. आय एम अगेन रिक्वेस्टिंग हिम प्लीज तुजे कडेन जायना जाल्यार ते मुखेलमंत्र्याक सांगून दुसऱ्या कोणा कडेन खातें दी नाजाल्यार प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करून दाखय उदकाचें लोकांच्या खातीर.
Meanwhile, people from Sattari are also complaining of frequent water crisis. Sources from PWD claimed that it is due to the storm on 4th April, which devastated many parts of Bicholi and Sattari. Officials say power shutdown is observed station by station in order to erect new electricity poles replacing old ones which were uprooted in the storm. Besides this, there is tree cutting and trimming work annually undertaken before the arrival of monsoons. It requires power shutdown of 5 to 6 hours. This has affected functioning of water treatment plants, resulting in acute water supply in Sattari and neighbouring villages. Added to this are dropping water levels in the reservoirs of Bicholi and Sattari Taluka. Dishant Parab and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
A bus carrying youth of Parish Church from Fatorda turtled at Matemor, Kankona while on its way to picnic. 17 are injured, including driver of the bus. Injured students were initially moved to Kankona Public Health Centre. Out of 17, 14 of them were later shifted to Hospicio. One of the passengers said the bus turtled due to brake failure on a steep turn. Altogether, there were 26 travellers in the bus.
Students of Parish Church of Fatorda were on their way to picnic. When the vehicle reached Matemor at Agond, it turtled due to failure of brakes of the bus on a steep turn. Altogether, 26 passengers were travelling. 17 of them were injured in the accident, including the driver. 14 of them were later shifted to the Hospicio in Madgaon. There were small children amongst the travellers.
किती झाले बस कशी पडली
बस आमी आतां न्हू स्पीड आनी तेका दिसता म्हाका ब्रेक फेल जालें म्हणून ब्रेक फेल ते बस येताना फुल टर्न जाली ना
टोटल किती जाण आसले बसीन तुमी
26 आसले.
Locals said Matemor claimed that accidents in this stretch is a frequent affair. There are no proper signboards installed over the stretch.
मागणी कितें आसा आमची हिंगा लोकांची ह्या टर्न आसा न्हू ह्या टर्नाचेर येता आनी कितें जाता सायनबोर्ड आसल्यार मातशें बऱ्या पडटा मुखार टर्न आसा म्हूण कळटा न्हू आमच्या लोकांची मागणी हिंगाची फलकारांची हेचेर गव्हर्मेंटान एक सायनबोर्ड घालचो
लोकांची नजर दर्याचेर पडटा
हांगच्यान दर्या दिसता
दर्या पडटा आनी हांगा यू टर्न एकदम हे जाल्या नंतर हें जाता हांगा मेन म्हळ्यार सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार सरकारान हांगा प्रोटेक्शना खातीर कितें तरी रिपोर्ट करपा जाय. एक्सिडेंटाची हांगा एक मालिका चालू आसा गेले कितलेशे वर्सां हांगा लग्नाची एक बस पडल्या पयलीं ताजे पयलीं टेम्पो परतून पडल्या तेजे नंतर मिनी बस पडल्या कितलीशीं वाहनां हांगा मार्ग जाता पूण सुदैवान हांगा अजून कोणाचीच हानी जाली ना.
Babesh Borkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.